Hey everyone, it's Greg from the Drink Caddy Company coming to you from my backyard in Appleton, Wisconsin. It's a lovely, lovely evening, so I decided to come out here and show you what we've come up with. This is the latest and greatest. This is the Disney Resort Mug Caddy. These are designed specifically for the resort mugs. It's similar to our OG Caddy, but subtly different, and I'm going to go over the new features that this has compared to the original. Pictures don't do it justice. A video is going to be the best way to show you. First up, these are just for the resort cups. They won't fit regular tumblers real well. For instance, this is my Stanley 30 ounce. It's too big, so just fair warning. They're just for these cups. So a couple changes we made is a honeycomb bottom, see-through. And what that does is cuts weight down a little bit further on an already light drink caddy, but it also keeps the condensation, and they drip down, they'll come out the bottom, so you can wipe it off easier. It dries a little quicker as well. We improved the locking tab, so these little ones lock a little better. Like when you set it down, it doesn't want to tip over. That was a big improvement. Another one is the angled handle. The way you can grab it from the side or the top. I found it more comfortable carrying it like this when it was fully loaded, when I had all the food. A couple of my past videos, I brought the blue on our latest Disney trip, and I've made some subtle improvements, like as far as I like to carry it like this versus this, depending on what I'm doing. If it's just straight walking, like this. If I'm carrying food, I had it like this. It felt more comfortable to me, so we angled it so it feels even better in your hand. We still have the silverware straw holders on the side. I know it came in handy when we were at the quick service and my kid dropped a couple of forks on the ground. I had backup, so instead of going all the way back up to the line and set that down, I could just pick another one up. I put like 3 or 4 extras in here because kids being kids, and myself, I may have dropped 1 or 2, but we're not going to tell anyone that. The straws too come in very handy as far as, if some kids want a straw or don't want a straw, or the spoons for ice cream on the cruise line. That was another video with one of these guys. And the last big difference too is we took the rubber tabs off on this particular model. We just have straight plastic holes. We did a 3-inch hole versus the 3 5/8 as our normal caddy has. But taking the rubber tabs off, these fit a little nicer, but it makes it taller. So that's why a 30-ounce Stanley, even besides like the width and the height, they would bottom out too quick. So these are just designed for these cups. And if you get like an Aquafina bottle, I think so, can fits in there just nice. It's a little looser because without the rubber tabs, but it's still not going to go anywhere. We also increased the footprint on it a little bit. It's a little deeper this way compared to the original one. So there's subtle improvements. It's still the overall same size, height, depth, weight. A tinge lighter because it doesn't have the rubber tabs, and it's a honeycomb bottom. Going forward, I will be doing the angled handle and the honeycomb bottom on even the OG with the rubber tabs. I'm designing that one just a tinge different, just so it works a little nicer for that, but this is the latest and greatest. Still all the same 13 colors the original comes into. Eventually I want to get into different color combinations. I think a Buzz Lightyear one would be cool, where it has white on the sides, purple wings, green feet, or like a Woody. They could do like brown, blue, brown, many, many different colors. I don't have those options on the Etsy yet, but if you want a custom one, reach out. I'll price one. I would love to make one. Sporting teams, if you're a Kansas City Chief fan, Green Bay Packer fan, I've done green and gold. We can do many different colors than what Etsy has currently, and I can always give a price for that. I'm always looking forward to exciting things. But this is what is now on the Etsy shop. We have the original, all the 13 colors is there as well. Now we have this one next to it. This is the Disney Resort Mug Caddy, own separate listing. Still made in my basement, put together on my kitchen table, and you get a sticker from my kids when I put it in the box. Oops, caught it. So this is what we've been working on. Very proud of it. We hope you would enjoy this on your next cruise, on your Disney vacation, or even to the park. If you have these at your house already and you have no idea what to do with them, now you can have them caddy, use them in the summer. You can use them wherever. This is the latest and greatest coming from the Drink Caddy company here in Appleton. Very proud of it. A lot of time and effort went into it. Went on a whole Disney trip. I mean, a business trip, but this vacation. I call it a business trip. Got a lot of R&D done, and we have perfected it. We want to make one for you and your family on vacation. It is a lifesaver. You have no idea how awesome this was to have around the resorts, just at the pool, the Skyliner, going to the parks, you name it. It was awesome in the 105-degree heat. I wouldn't go again without one. We want to make one for you. Just buy one. Reach us on social media. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll be more than happy to answer one for you. Thank you, and good night.